having a bath, guys. Look.
Yeah. She's having a bath in there now. She doesn't drink.
Okay.
She's drinking the bath now.
Wow. So when you spill your water, children, the bird can take a bath in it.
Yeah.
No.
Joey spilled away his water. Now Phoebe can have a bath in it. That's funny.
See how she wriggles around?
Wiggle.
She's really wet. Hey, she's cleaning it up. We'll have to disinfect this table after.
Now she's gonna get all wet.
Phoebe, you're being silly.
Yeah, you're being really silly. What is she doing now?
Well, she's washing. She's soaking
She's
wet.
washing herself.
She's soaking wet. Completely and totally wet.
Even her head.
Yeah, she's rubbing her head in the water.
Just like a swimming pool.
Yeah, she pretends it's a swimming pool.
Now she's a dish to shake all the water.
Yeah, she might do. And she takes each feather and she pulls at it. She's being the silliest bird ever.
And I wake up. She's funny.
Yeah, her colorful, but her face looks ridiculous, all wet. Look, Phoebe, you're a little bit wet. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, you want to go on my hand?
I think she wants to just get wet.
I think she thinks she's at a swimming pool.
Look, now she got all wet.
Well, that's the funniest thing I've ever seen, children.
Yeah.
I didn't know Phoebe was so comfortable with us that she could take a bath. Now I've seen everything. Well done, Thomas. That's exactly. Now we've seen everything. Phoebe taking a bath in a spilled glass of water. Well, whenever we spill water, we could just have Phoebe take a bath in it.
Yeah! I should clean it up on your face. It's okay.
Oh!
She spilled
That's
your
my...
tea.
She spilled... She didn't spill. I did.
No, Joni.
Here, Joni, I have to wash it. That's funny. This is a crazy house. The tea's been spilled. The tea.
She's gonna drive though.
Well, she's gonna drive. We'll go.
What is she doing?
This is crazy. Phoebe, this is not the time and place.